Good day, tutor and classmates. Today I'm going to share with you the lesson plans. My name is Felipe Bolaños. My code number is 105-897-1794. The tutor is Diana Constanza Cruz, and the course is Teaching English to Adolescents and Adults. My first worksheet template is the teacher name is Felipe Bolaños, students level A1, population, adolescent, and the skills to develop is speaking and writing. The objective is to improve the speaking and writing skills. The name of the activity is global warming. The warm-up is the initial reading to the students. Good day, students. Revision of vocabulary. How are you? What did you do this weekend? What did you have for breakfast? How are you dressed? Students are introduced to the foreign language with daily topics so that they adapt to the topic. Presentation. Continue vocabulary but with the presentation of the theme of global warming. Question of the subject. What is global warming? What are the causes? Who are affected? How to prevent global warming? What are you doing to help with this problem? The practice. The teacher writes the question on the board and asks the students to copy them on a piece of paper. Each student must write the answers to the question maximum 2 lines, minimum 2. Each student must read out at least 2 questions out loud to their classmates. Questions are asked by the teacher. Production. Each student is asked to invent a small story of the origin and solution to the problem of global warming. The story must be authored by each student. They must be creative and use any kind of story, magical, fiction, futurist. This story must contain at least 2 paragraphs. At the end of the story, each student should read in a high voice for his classmates. The qualification of the activity is based on the quality of the text and the pronunciation of the reading. My second worksheet template. Teacher name is Felipe Bolaños, student level A1, population, adults, skill to develop, speaking and writing. The objective. Improve the speaking and writing skills. Warm up. Initial readings to the students. Revision of vocabulary. How are you? What did you do the weekend? What did you have for breakfast? How are you dressed? Students are introduced to the foreign language with daily topics so that they adapt to the topic. Presentation. Continue vocabulary but with the presentation of the theme of daily routine. The teacher presents the text daily routine. Hi, I am Rose. I usually get up early, at about 5. I always take a quick shower. I don't make up because I don't like it. Then I cook and have breakfast with my brother Arnold. I go to work by bus because I sold my car last week. I start work at 7 and finish at 4. Then I go home and watch TV for an hour or 2 with Arnold. And I go to bed before 11 because I need to rest well to be energetic the next day. The vocabulary of the daily routine. Take a break. Tomar un descanso. They take a break before lunch. Finish work. Terminar de trabajar. I finish work at 5:30. Go home. Ir a casa. She goes home at 5:30. Get home. Llegar a casa. She gets home at 6. Have dinner. Cenar. We have dinner at 7. Watch TV, mirar o ver televisión. He watches TV for a while. Go to bed, acostarse, ir a la cama. They go to bed before 10. Sleep, dormir. I sleep for 8 hours. Practice. With the vocabulary, each student performs the translation of the daily routine delivered by the teacher. Each student performs a daily routine with the vocabulary delivered by the teacher. Each student presents his daily routine out loud to his classmates, and the production of the activity is in pairs. A routine is carried out with at least 20 actions in which one student will read out loud to the other, and the other will perform the dramatized action. Thank you very much.